Nkemu, Kedukunumere. Today we're going to learn something very interesting again. We're going to learn the difference between this is and that is in Igbo. So if we want to say this is, we say nkabo. All right? Nkabo, this is. If we want to say that is, we say nkahobo. Again, nkahobo. Are you ready for us to experiment? Now I have this book right here and I want to say this is a book. But before I start, remember that this is nkabo. And this book in Igbo is actually called akwụkwọ. Akwụkwọ. Now, let's go. I want to say this is a book. I will say nke bụ akwụkwọ. Say it with me. Nke bụ akwụkwọ. And if I want to say that is a book, I take it and I say, oh, nke ahụ bụ akwụkwọ. Nke ahụ bụ akwụkwọ. That is a book. Did you get the difference? Now learn to use it when you're speaking your Igbo. Don't forget that we teach beginners personalized classes. If you want something more personalized, we have a rich and robust curriculum that will keep you learning Igbo language for a long time. We teach children and beginners. I am the Princess Enyinna-Okoro. Nke si n'Igbo dị mma. Ebe anyị na-akụziri ụmụaka ndị ka na-ebido asụsụ Igbo ka ha ghọta ya. Come in for your classes. Aga m ahụ unu mgbe ọzọ. Ka ọ dị.